Were the geniuses or playing dumb? Once upon a time, in a job interview about the Linux IT position, this happened. So these two guys that were interviewing me, well, it was an interview for all intents and purposes. They just, at a certain phase of the interview, they just said, sit down here, here's the server, and you have a file for you to read in the desktop, and you need to comply. That was easy enough, sure, no problem. And the guys just left. It was just me, the server. It was a physical server, no VMs here, just a physical bare metal server. The screen, the keyboard, the mouse, and the works. So they said, you have root access. The root user is already logged in. You need to check for a file in the directory you are at and check the contents of the file and comply with the instructions. And I was like, fine. Then they left and I said to the keyboard, issue the ls command, because that would make sense that was a command that made sense at the time, and this happened.
One eternity later.
So I let the server reboot, and they had a little post-it in the, or not a post-it, it was actual paper, or was it a post-it? I can't actually remember. It was written down in the piece of paper, the root login of that server. And they said specifically, oh yeah, all the instructions were written on a piece of paper. So all the saying that this is the password, you need to get to this folder and list the contents of this file and do what it says there. Okay. Yeah, there was a paper, a folder, not a folder, but a paper with instructions. So once again, I thought maybe there's something wrong with the server. Maybe the server is malfunctioning. Let's try this again. I issued the ls command and this happened.
One eternity later.
So at this point in time, I thought that the jiggy was up and they didn't want me to check for the file or the file contents or anything like that. They wanted me to fix this issue. So clearly something was up with the ls command. I tried different commands. I tried like the id commands. I tried the who am I, the who, and things were just working proper. So I was almost certain that it was something with the ls command. And there is no way in form that the ls command will do this on its own. So it had to be something strange or some work done about the ls command. And I found this.